Okay, we're gonna be doing another sample. Let's see, so it says sample label and it has this number here. I wanna see if everything comes through. And print. Okay, there you go. So maybe you might have to do a test run first because right here it cut off the sample label title. And you can see here on this one that it actually came out. I should go this way. But it works, it's good. Okay, so I just got my printer set up. So the printer comes with the printer itself. You get your 2 cords and then your paper holding tray. Then my labels were separate. But I just got it all set up and it printed this label so incredibly fast that I just have to print another one just to show you how quick that this printed. So I do already have all my settings set up, which it shows you how to do all of that online. And now I'm hitting print. That was it. That was how quick it just printed a label. That is incredibly awesome, and this is so useful for my business.
All right, here is the Polono label maker that I purchased through Amazon. Shipping was super fast. Got it within, I think, 2, maybe 3 days. I didn't know it actually had a purple face here, but it looks good with the blue LED button there, or LED light combo there. It comes with a little hard drive here. I'm gonna have to remember to put this in a very safe spot. That installs all of the drivers in order to use this. It doesn't come with labels, but you can purchase 500 directly from them. I don't recall the exact price, but it was pretty affordable. My favorite feature of this is this little tray that it comes with in order to kind of spoon feed the labels into the receiver of the printer. It prints very fast. It prints very good on these labels. And I definitely would recommend it. One thing I will say is that setup is a bit difficult. It will take some test labels and some test printing in order to perfect, but it can be done. I would highly recommend either watching a YouTube video or just kind of playing around with different sizes, different lettering, and all of the different settings. This flash drive does have a very good guide, but it can get a little confusing for the, I guess, not advanced IT type of person. But I definitely would recommend it. It's been working very well so far.
Hello, so I'm going to give a quick review on this thermal label printer. I believe it's pronounced Polono. I hope I'm saying that right. It's the PL60. My machine is already hooked up, so I'm not going to show you the machine, but what I will show you and tell you real briefly about it is, one, it is, I think, a great machine to have for small businesses because it is quick as far as printing out your shipping labels. I'm also going to save money as far as not having to use any ink. So because this machine runs off of heat, so it will save me as far as not having to purchase any more ink for shipping labels. So first thing first is, once I open the box, I got my machine. This is not Wi-Fi accessibility, so it does come with a USB port that you will have to either plug into your desktop or your laptop. It also comes in with just a cord to plug in, your power cord. I believe I had to order the labels separately, and so it came as a set. It was more of a discount. I got it at a discount price, well, a sales price. They were doing a quick, fast sales, and so I got it at that point. So, like I said, the machine is hooked up. It's running just fine, but I will say this. What the guide does not tell you, and I'll open this guide, it comes in a trifold. As you can see, it just gives you, the guide just tells you how to connect the machine. It does not tell you how the machine works. So that is the downfall of this. So what you will get in your package is the machine itself, the 2 cords, your USB and your power cord, and then the stand to host your shipping labels, which you can order your shipping labels. I got a box of 500. Like I said, it came in a flash sale here on Amazon, and so I got it all together. Now, like I said, again, the downfall is it does not tell you once you connect what to do next. You would think that, hey, I've connected, I'm ready to go. That is not true. What you have to do is then go in and download the drives. So they will send you, mine came with a USB that I had the drive on there, and so you just download from there, or you can go to the website and download the drives for whichever you have, a Windows PC or a Mac, and then at that point you're ready to go. You connect your printers and you're ready to go, as far as the machine being connected to your laptop or desktop. What it does not also tell you is that wherever you're shipping from, so whether you're shipping from your website, such as in myself as a small business, I had to go into the website, go into my settings to configure and change over from my computer and printer shipping to my computer and now this thermal printer. Otherwise, it is not going to print right. The same if you use, whether you use Shopify, Shippo, Pirate Ship, any of those shipping companies, you have to go into those settings and let those settings know that you're no longer using your printer, but that you're using a thermal label printer. Change those settings and then it will print out just fine. So I'm saying that because it was not said. I couldn't even find a YouTube video on it, anything like that. I just had to figure it out myself. And so as you can see, I messed up quite a few labels until I finally figured out that I had to go into the websites and into the shipping companies, like I said, Shippo, Power Ship, whatever, and tell it to print from the thermal printer. And finally, I got the right printer. So like I said, for a small business, I think it's great. It's feasible. It's going to pay for itself once you get your shipping going, and then it's going to save you money in the end because you do not have to use any ink. So I hope this review helps other people who are looking to purchase it. I think it's a great commodity. It's very small, so I do recommend purchasing for small businesses, of course. Thank you.